the only good, no, na ginawa, no, ay ang ginawa ni Jesus Christ doon sa cross. Because sabi nga sa Bible, the wages of sin is death. Kabayaran ng kasalanan ay kamatayan. No? So, hindi good work. Hindi yung mga i-comply mo na mga gawain na do this and that to be saved. That is not, no? None of us, no, can please God. Walang isa sa atin. Romans chapter 3 verse 10, none of us. Romans chapter 3 verse 23, no? Sabi dyan, all have sinned and fall short of the glory of God. No? Even ano pang attempt ng tao to do good, no? To please God, you cannot, because none of us are righteous. Ang requirement kasi ng Panginoon is perfection. So no one of us, no, is perfect enough, no, and to come to Jesus Christ and pay for the sins. Walang isa sa atin, no? The only person who did that is the Lord Jesus Christ. Kung iyong babasahin in Matthew chapter 3 verse 17, sabi diyan, this is my son, no, in whom I am well pleased. Sa kay